This 2025 Forest River Sierra 4002FB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 5 inches in length and features a TERRA interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, awning, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV, water heater, skylight, oven, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Sierra 4002FB is 13,577 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.